I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rosalind if you're new, and we are packing for a couple of days in Mexico. Y'all look at this. Y'all heard I said a couple of days. This is ridiculous. I have to narrow this down to at least 4 items, maybe 5, just one to grow on, because if you're only going for a couple of days, do you really need 10 outfits? I'm gonna say you need 5. You really need 4, but I say 5, just one to grow on. I always get one to grow on. So I really got to narrow this down, and this is going to be hard. So these are the options. I'm thinking about wearing this to the airport, even though I always wear this to the airport. They know I'm coming. So if I'm wearing this to the airport, then it should not be an issue with the other options. Because the other option's supposed to be going to the resort to wear on the resort. So that's airport. And then also this could be the airport going home. So this is what we're doing here. I think these 2 are going to be airport for home. Now I got to narrow this down to like 5 items, and it's got to fit in that backpack right there. So I say I need 2 dresses just in case. And we are going to dinner just in case it's a dress code. So this is my favorite one. I wear this one a lot, but it's cute on me. So this is probably going. And I need 1 more dress. I want this dress. Let me show y'all. I want this one. I want this one. I like this one. It's a Floyd dress, but I don't know if I can fit it. And I don't know if I want to try it on. So we're going to set this to the side. I also have this, which is not a dress, but I normally bring these 2. Will they always see me in these 2? I don't know. This is a maybe. This is so cute. It's a romper, but it's like a dressy romper. It has like a little belt on it. And then I have this. It's just a regular, it's nothing special. It's just a dress. I don't know. You know what? We're going to put this away because it's nothing special. We don't need this. Okay, we only narrowed one thing down. We got so many other options. Okay, we're going to put this to the side because this is just somewhat like to wear. We really need to like wear that if we're going to take it to like just wear at the resort, you know, as an everyday thing. I got this dress. I hate bringing this dress, but like every time I go back to the room on the resort, I be like, oh, I'm full and I'm feeling full and I just want something that'll cover my stomach up. And it's always this. So we're going to put this to the side just in case. We might not take this one either. Okay. I like this one because it's black. It matches these shorts that go with it. And it's black. You know, black is slimming. We love a black slimming, but we also have this one. So we can't bring 2 black things. So we're going to put this over here. And we're going to figure out which one we'll bring. I think I want to bring this because it's not black. It seems like it'll be a good, I don't know. It seems like it's just a summary. It's real summery. And where we going is real summery. So I think I might bring this one, y'all. I don't know. I'm bringing 5 items. So this dress, probably that, if I can still fit it. I hate trying on clothes before I leave. That's why I like to bring everything. Okay, what else? We're not going to bring this one. We're not going to bring this dress. It's just regular. I wanted to bring this because this is a short set. But as you can see, it's wrinkled. And I don't want to iron it. I don't like ironing on vacation. I don't like ironing at home. So I don't know. We're going to put that to the side. We're narrowing down. Now that's airport. So we're going to leave that over there. These 2 things, we probably need to... Oh, dang, my shorts fell. I need to see which one I need to bring. This one or this one. This one's more newer. This one's older. So I haven't worn this a lot. I might just bring this one. I think I am. So we're going to put that over there. That makes 3 items. So now we got to come over here and figure out, we need 1 more dress for dinner. And we need 1 more outfit. So I don't know if I'm going to bring, I only need one more dress. So if I should try this on to see if I can fit it, but I don't feel like it. So she not going. It's like 8 o'clock, y'all. We have to leave the house like at 4 o'clock. Nope, we got to be there. We leave the house like at 3:30 in the morning. So I'm just packing at night. I had to work. So I think I'm going to bring this one because I can wear it to dinner. So there's that. Is that 4 items? Yeah, I feel like I need to bring 6 now. That's already 4. And then these don't count because that's airport. Oh my God. I've never wore this before. I should bring this. I've never wore this before. And the reason why I never wore it is because you have to wear a bra with it. Or you don't have to, but you need to wear a bra with it. And I don't have a bra that fits this kind of shirt. I don't know, y'all. Will we bring 6 items now? I feel like it. I never wore that one. We're going to come back. All right. So, also, I never wear this. So, I think I should wear this to the airport. That's what I should do. These 3 things. Wait, I wore this one. Let me fix it. So, I have 3 rompers or 3 jumpers. And I want to bring all 3 of them. Really, I should wear a couple of the, like one of these to the airport. I should wear one of these to the airport, and I should leave this. I think I'm gonna leave this here, and I'm gonna wear one of these to the airport. Which one will it be? I have to have one thing for home, and I have to have one thing for going there. It is so hard to make a decision on what. How many things I said was gonna bring y'all? 5. It's giving 8 at this point. I don't know. I don't know what I should bring. Let me count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9. It's looking like 9 things. I can't bring 9 things for a 2-day trip, y'all. That's just stupid. That's stupid. I'm not gonna do that. I gotta keep looking. I gotta keep narrowing down. We gotta keep looking. Okay, so since one of these is gonna be airport wear, really that's only leaving us with what? 7 things. So we gotta really narrow down. I think the black one, black is always good for the airport, right? I'm gonna leave this one for the airport, black. And these 2 can be on the resort. Will I wear this on the resort? One of these can be back home. But it's gonna be cold back home. Oh my God, it should not be this hard. I really just want to put this back up because I ain't never wore before and I don't know how cute it is. But like, So let's just do this again. This is dinner. This is dinner. That's the dinner. That's dinner. So we just need, really, to be honest, we just need 2 more items. But we got to bring 3 at least. Okay. So since we got to bring 3, I like this one for every day. And I like this one. I like this one. I feel like I wore these on a resort already. I know if I bring anything besides these things that I'm definitely gonna just have clean clothes to bring back home. That's the 4 items that I need. I want to bring 2 more. Can we just bring 2 more? Let's see, that's 4. Can we just bring 6? I think 6 is good. So if we bring 6, I'm gonna bring this and this. That's ridiculous. I still want her. I mean, what's one more? Okay. What I can do, though, what I really can do is I can leave this. Since I wear that to the airport all the time. And I can just take those. And I can just bring my sweater. And if I'm cold, it'll be fine because I have a sweater. I think I solved it. I think that's exactly what we're going to do. How many items is that? Did we get too many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, we have 8 items. 2 of them are airport, so that just leaves us with 6 items. We were only supposed to bring 4 to just actually wear on the resort, but we're gonna bring 6 because I can't narrow it down. And 2 of them are dinner. So if we got 2 dinners, and then we have 2 options to wear on the resort, I think that's good. I think that's good. Yeah. Yeah. We did so good. Look at us. Pat myself on the back. We did so good. I don't know why we got all of this, but it's all going to fit in this backpack back here. Look at that. I'm going to roll all that up and we're going to put it in the backpack. So I got this backpack from Shein. I actually have a... Wait a minute. Is this the Shein one? Y'all, I don't even think this is the Shein one. Is it? It's giving it's dirtier than last time. I feel like this is the one that I had got from Amazon because I don't think the Shein one opened like this. It did. It had to. So we're going to pack this one. It's just a little backpack. We getting on Spirit. And we just going to roll all of the stuff up. We got to leave 2 things out, though. Or 1 thing out. So I think I'm going to wear this to the airport. I can have my hat. I can be, yeah, with some slides. That's what I'm going to do. Because I don't never do that. This one's back home. Okay, so we just gonna roll all of this up.
Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back, I want you, hit you up, I'm on the other side, I miss you. Take you off, I came here way too strong, cannot keep it low key. Got me drugged, your pheromones hit the roof. Bottle your taste. It's really a bad reception out there. Where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you.
So look at this, y'all. So I have all of my stuff packed and I'm about to put all these shoes in there. I don't need all these shoes, but I can't make a choice. So they going in here. It's gonna close. See, it's definitely gonna close. But it has this in the back of it. And this is where the shoes go. So all of these shoes that I have in here are gonna go in this little hole right here. And this thing's still gonna close. So I'm gonna zip this up first. Hopefully. Oh, the little zipper thing is broken inside. Dang. I think this is my older backpack. It's fine though. It'll still work. This zipper still works on this side. But I'm just gonna push this in here. And we put all the shoes in here. I don't need 4. I don't need 4 pair of shoes, y'all. I have to bring them. I have to. All of them fit, all of them going. Okay, and just like that, y'all, the only thing I have to put in here now is just like my hair stuff, but we ain't gonna worry about that because I need to comb my hair. I'm finna go wash my hair. But look at this backpack. This is gonna make it through Spirit. It's good to go. How cool is that? Really, I could fit like a week worth of stuff in here at least. So I'm just gonna end it here, y'all. I have to go wash my hair and get ready for the morning. I know I'm only gonna get 3 hours of sleep, but I'm used to it. I'm used to it. Thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I love y'all for watching. Oh, also hit the notification bell so you know every time I post, and like this video. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.
It hurts so much to think of you.